Hello, this is Northern Colorado attorney Robert Herrera with Black Suit Law, and today we're going to discuss the 5 most common questions I receive concerning mediation. Now, the first question is, what is mediation? Mediation is assisted negotiations. When two parties have a dispute with one another and they invite a mediator into the process to see if they are then able to assist them with resolving that dispute. The second question I receive is, why should I even consider mediation? Well, mediation should be considered by parties who are having a dispute with one another because typically mediation is much more cost-effective and can be accomplished much quicker than if the parties were to file lawsuits and go through the court process. Also, mediation may be a requirement of a court proceeding that you're already in. For example, in many divorce cases in Colorado, the judge will require the parties to attend mediation of some of the disputed issues. Also, in civil court, the court does typically require the parties to attempt mediation prior to issuing out a trial date for the parties. Now, the third question I receive is, what does a mediator even do? Well, a mediator's job is to see if they can assist the parties in reaching a negotiated settlement of the dispute. The mediator will meet with one party, listen to their facts and circumstances, and then meet with the second party and listen to their facts and circumstances, and then it will try and attempt to show the other side parts that are important and parts that they may be suffering in, and see if there then can be a resolution. Well, the fourth question I receive is, do I need an attorney for mediation? Now, I would strongly encourage anybody who is going into mediation to be represented throughout that process. Your attorney can assist with preparation of documents and evidence, even put together potentially witnesses, and present a legal argument for you in addition to you telling your side of the story. So I do encourage those who are mediating a dispute to have legal representation through the process. And the fifth question I receive is, what does this mediation process actually look like? On the day of mediation, what the mediator will do is he will meet individually in a separate room with one of the parties, and he will listen to them present their side of the case, and he will listen to any arguments or case law that is cited by the attorney helping them through this process. The mediator will then go to the other party in the dispute and meet with them in a separate room and privately, and allow them to present their side of the case and also listen to any legal arguments that their counsel may have as well. The mediator will then typically go back and forth and try and get the parties to come to some sort of resolution. Now, the parties are not required by any means to enter into an agreement to resolve the dispute. That is the nice part about mediation, where you as a party to the dispute have a lot of control over what that looks like. You have control over what agreements are made or not made through that process. Now, if you have any other questions about mediation, please feel free to give us a call. At Black Suit Law, we assist parties through the mediation process. Also at Black Suit Law, we do serve as a mediator for parties that are having a dispute. Thank you.